G3 investors. This is Greg Gallagher, and all I can say about the market today is wow. I haven't seen anything like that in a while. It takes me all the way back to, I believe it was October 19th, Black Monday in 1987, when the market dropped over 20%, something like 24%. This is the second worst day, and because the averages are a lot higher, the point drops were a lot worse. But hey, I was just kidding about Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas. I don't want the losses to be any bigger. It's a little scary. Well, we don't say anything. One picture is 1,000 words. There's the culprit, the coronavirus. Let's take a look at the market update first. This is, the index update. You can just see red on the screen everywhere. The third limit down day this morning. The NASDAQ dropped 2.3%, 12.3%, sorry, on the day. We gained 1.6% by shorting the market. So that's the best right there. We're up 23% in any quarter. That's the best in history, and including my trading. 23% is a good year, not a quarter. We're beating Bob's buy and hold model by 55%. 49 there and 46 there. Wow, unbelievable. Look at these stats. 96% of the 7,400 stocks followed are below their 50-day moving average, 94 the 200-day moving average. This is not good, folks. And here's the correction from the highs. Now, this is from the highs. We're off 30% from the all-time highs on the NASDAQ. Almost. Hey, the S&P is leading it. It's only down 29.8%. And the Russell's down. The Russell's down big. Okay, let's look at the model. What we did today in the model. We have no open trades. I'm not even going to put out a trade setup report because, in a market like this, at best, all we can do is maybe get a trade in on the day. Until the market settles down, hopefully we're having capitulation here. I'm hoping this is a capitulation move. I don't mind making the money, folks, but man, I hate to see people just get their 401ks and IRAs decimated. Anyway, we did two trades, made 1,150 on the SQ and 440 on that, and they were both good trades. You'll see the reasoning behind them. Okay, now let's look at the summary real quick. All right, 12% better. And as I said, we picked up 1.6% today than we were a month ago. That's incredible. Shout out to a new patron, I can't pronounce, Leondor A, whoever, and KC72. Okay. Our YouTube stats, 874 views, 36 hours of viewing time, and this is in the last 28 days, 7 new subscribers. I wish I could get that subscriber base up and that patron base up. So come on, patrons, get out there and start supporting us. Just click on this link right here and put it in your browser. Come on, what are you doing? Okay, let's take a look at what the market actually did here. Here's the big move. And over the weekend, I predicted a move up that way. I still see us getting a capitulation type move where everybody throws in their towel and that stops it. And then we go back up and at least test this 200-day moving average here. That would be typical in a bear market. Totally typical. The biggest moves in the market in terms of days, if you haven't figured it out yet, folks, it's in a bear market. Down 20%, no, not that much. Down 10%, up 10%, down 5%, down 7%, up 7%. I mean, that's how it is. Let's see. I believe I got these trades. Yes, I do. Okay, here's the SQ's trade today. So the market opened up here, and if you're a tier 2 patron, you would have gotten from me that said, hey, cash is a real cool hand, according to Cool Hand Luke. And so we didn't do anything. It came down below our line here. That's our guide. And then it did a little diddly-do here, and I said, hey, right there at 27, let's get in. It went up, went back, didn't go down. So we set a real low stop here. I think I set it 60 cents, 70 cents. I don't know what it was, but at any rate, we went up here, got stopped out. Now, I would like to have said I'm smart enough to have not done that and went in and made this move. And who knows, I did not hold it overnight because, like I say, I'm looking for a capitulation type move, as is every other trader that I know. Okay, so on that last one we made $1,100. Okay, on this one we only made what was it, 440, but I'll take it. 440, that's not bad. Same pattern. Okay, here we go. We open up, down we go. Went down here, and because I did the other one, I said, hey, I'm getting in. So we got in at 25, and we sold it 25.88. Maybe I had the stop set too tight on this one. I think this one was 60 cents. The other one was 70 cents. I wish I'd have done that, Greg, because we could have gotten some of this move. Now you see that big tail there, or I mean that big candle wick, the real long wick. That means probably not going to hold. I don't know, though. At any rate, this was going to be a short one, but let's just take a look at the heat map. This is what a 12% in one-day correction looks like on a heat map of the S&P 500. Whoo-wee, that is ugly. Okay, well, it's Greg Gallagher. You know the drill. Good luck and good trading.